All right, guys, 8,000 subscribers, over 1 million views in the short time I've been doing YouTube. I can't believe it. You guys blow my mind. But this video is not going to be about me. This video is going to be about you guys. All right, guys, I got so many awesome subscribers, and none of this would be possible without you guys. So I just want to take this video and give a little love to you guys, give you a little shout out to a few of you guys, and tell you how much I appreciate it. So I'm gonna start off by basically going down my sticker wall and check out all the stickers I got, and show you a few cool channels here. So as you guys have probably seen before, we got the old Nuts 319. He helped me, he was actually in one of my videos. That video did really well. He's a great guy. Of course, Brandon, Elite Earthworks, there's nobody better on a skid steer than him. I think I still got him on the excavator, but he's definitely kicking my butt on the skid steer. MSL Logging Jr., he has probably got one of the coolest stickers out there. I ain't taking nothing away from anybody else's stickers, but that is one cool sticker. And that sticker is actually an exact replica of, it's actually SOT Metalworks. He gave me a new sticker. I don't have it up here, but Junior of SOT Metalworks or Shooter Options Targets. So cool sticker. Of course, you guys know Logger Wade. Those guys there, Texas Driveline. That's where I actually bought the final drive for the little 304. Miss Elite, still got her sticker on the toilet. Not for sure how it got there, but it's still there. I say hi to her every morning. Then John, that chipper guy, we met him up there at the Hoosier Hardwood Festival. Awesome dude. We had a great time with him. MLH Repairs, Mason, he's got a pretty cool little channel. Look him up. He does, he's a pretty slick mechanic. Come out of the coal mines, doing his own deal now. Oh, Mr. Works a lot. I don't even know where to start with him. He's actually been on a little bit of a YouTube vacation, but I talked to him the other day. He's getting ready to come back pretty strong here with some videos. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Keep an eye on him. MFG, that was Jonathan. He's the one that was the big help on the skid steer. I actually talked to him the other day. He's helped me on, well, here, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. I got the grader, and my skid steer has no wiring for it. So, yeah, we're trying to get that figured out, and Jonathan's been a big help on that. Tom the Castle Excavating, he don't have any content on his channel, but he comments like clockwork on all of our videos. Cool dude's got some cool little 6-ton trucks. And then Junkyard's Garage. Junkyard, I hate to admit, I catch some of your live streams and some of your videos. I don't 100% follow you as close as what Junior does, but he's a cool dude. He had a kid with some health issues that he come through. I think the YouTube community helped support him pretty good. So heck of a good welder, and just a little bit of hodgepodge. I see him fixing a lawnmower one time. So cool stuff. But let's head upstairs. I'll show you some other stuff I got. All right, guys, whenever I was downstairs, I know I missed Frank digging okay, Mr. Oklahoma. If there's a better guy on YouTube that operates a backhoe, I've yet to find him. He's like, hands down, some of the stuff he does with a backhoe is crazy. You can tell he's just spent hours and hours and hours on that backhoe. I think Frank just rolled over 5,000 subscribers. He's been chucking right along. Super cool dude, I haven't met him in person, talked to him a bunch in the comments, and I've talked to him through Brandon a little bit, but he seems like the real deal. I guess we can turn on our lights for him, Gunner, so they can see a little better. Check that out. What color you want?
This color. This
color? All right. So we got this sign here, was made by the one and only Facebook famous Officer Hoover. And possibly breaking news here, Officer Hoover has officially started a YouTube channel. Now, small disclaimer, it's not about DOT stuff. It's actually called DOT Bear Woodworking. Look him up. But he does a lot of woodworking projects, some cool signs. Go there, check him out. Awesome guy, man, awesome friend. This guy here was a guy we met just this weekend. Logan Larry introduced us to him. I'm gonna see if I can get his card up there. Randy Baker. And we went to the, you guys will see this video coming up. We went up to Elnora to the White River Antique Steam and Engine Show. we were walking around and he had this sitting out in front of his booth along with a logger weight deal. It was pretty cool. It made my weekend. It was awesome. So check him out. He's got a website and a Facebook page there on that card. You guys can go check him out. I don't think he's on YouTube, but some cool stuff. And then we got the famous Dirt Perfect SOT Metalworks sign right there. That's one of my prized possessions, and you guys have seen the other one that I keep in the house. That was one of the first signs I got. That's pretty high up on the cool factor right there. So, all right, guys. Whenever I start into this YouTube thing, my neighbor Wade told me the best thing that'll come out of it is the people you meet, and boy, was he not wrong on that one. We have met some incredible people, lifelong friends at this point, I'm convinced. And not only that, the wealth of knowledge and information you guys got out there, it's top notch. It's just so cool to get a new perspective or a new look out on stuff or a new approach to things. It's just awesome. I love learning. So I just want to go down through here. There is so many of you guys that have been with me for so long, and I just wanted to say thanks to some of you guys, because I really appreciate it. Jake's Excavation and Demo, you've been commenting on a lot of stuff. Mini Machine Mover Man, you've been on there. Trevor Dennis, Leo Warren, Eddie Goodwin, William Harris, Caleb Miller, Ryan Little, see else who, Joe Robinson, Chris Beck, J. Chris Beck, Spalding Excavation. Oh man, I hope I got that right. He's a pretty cool dude. He's got about 125 subs. Go check him out. He's got a channel I think is going to grow quite a bit. Drew 6709, Jack Baker, Magic Tune, Michael Hayden. Let me see here. Richard Cox, David Fisher, Ronald McAllister, Robert Kennedy. Hey, buddy. He always comments, hey, Mike. So I always comment, hey, back. I appreciate the comment. Casey. He's always got some cool comments. He's been with me for a while, too. Tired Old Mechanic. Great guy. Don Selter. JC Smith Projects. He comments on my stuff religiously, and I feel horrible. He's got like 19,000 subscribers, and I've been to his channel. He's got some really cool stuff. And I'm just humbled he's got time to come to my channel and even comment on anything. So, JC, buddy, I see you, and I greatly appreciate it. And I'm going to make it over to your channel and check some stuff out here. It's just, this is busy season right now. William Matthews, appreciate it. Jared Smith, Cody Hyatt. He's, I think he's got 6 subs, but I think he started posting some videos. You may go check him out. Who else we got here? Brian 8661. I don't have you on my list, but I know you're up from around Cincinnati. He comments occasionally. Todd Reynolds, he's been with me. Kevin Lewis. Oh man, just so many guys. Dennis Jennings, Alan Breedlove. He's been with me for a long time. He's got a pretty cool operation. I think he's down in Arkansas. Haven't met the guy. I haven't talked to him in person. We've texted a little bit. Seems like a really cool guy. But I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate you being patient on your package. Kurt, man with a plan. He's just south of me here. He's on here a lot. Brian Gardner, appreciate everything. Let's see here. Every time I see this name pop up in my comments, I smile before I ever even read it. ODC. He is the man. DC and Miss Elite Earthworks probably have some of the best comments on YouTube. Mike Nixon, I've seen you a few times. Barry Hansen. Barry's from New Zealand. I think he was one of my first 50 subscribers, and he comments on a lot of people's channels. He watches a lot of YouTube. I've never talked to Barry in person. We've messaged a few times on Facebook, but I hope to meet Barry one day. I'm pretty sure he's one of those guys we could just sit down and hit it off. He seems like a really cool guy. Keith L, I've seen a bunch of you. Ed Morton, seen a bunch of you. That's greatly appreciated. Let's see here. There's DOT Bear Woodworking. I'm trying to, man, I hate doing this. I'm always afraid I'm going to miss somebody. Doug, Lakeside Ranch. He was one of my first 50 again. I'm pretty sure he's commenting on every video I posted, and not just like, hey Mike, like it's obvious he's watched the video. Awesome. David Perry, Randy Owens, Robert Wyatt, Burning Dinosaurs, 636 subscribers. I'm thinking we're going to meet him in a couple weeks up here at Louisville. Haven't talked to him in person, talked to him a bunch in the comments. Cool guy, got a cool channel. Go check him out. He's got some stuff going on. So it's Chris Temple on my list here, but Chris is the farmer. You guys need to coach Chris into starting a YouTube channel. Him and John would be good at it. He's the farmer I do a lot of work for. But all right, a couple guys I want to give a kind of a special shout out to here that I believe deserve it. One's Digging Life 21. He's got 82 subscribers. His videos are better than 82 subscribers. He's kind of a smaller operation like me. He reminds me of a lot of myself when I got started off and got going. Get a chance, head over there, check him out. He's got a pretty good channel. He's trying to get his feet underneath him and take off. Dirt Boss, Tri-County Masonry and Excavating. He does a lot of foundation work, which is what I used to do a bunch of before I started on YouTube. And actually, I've kind of went back to that. We're getting ready to pop a few basements in. You guys will see the videos coming up. But he's at, let me see here. I think he's at like 600 subs maybe. He probably deserves a few more. He comments on pretty much every video I post. It's a good comment. It's much appreciated. Both of you guys, I do watch your stuff, and I apologize. I don't always have time to comment. So just because I don't comment don't mean I wasn't there. But the guy that I think probably deserves more subs than anybody else out there is Jake Excavating 320. This guy's been at it for 3 or 4 years. He's got over 1,000 videos posted, and he's just under 700 subs. He's a younger kid, and he's a Bobcat fan. We won't hold that against him. But he's a pretty good little fabricator. He's got some really neat projects going with an old Bobcat he's trying to restore. Family guy, kind of family farm operation. Just started into school. A lot of short videos, but they're good videos. I mean, it's worth watching. If there's anybody on YouTube that I watch that I think deserves 1,000 subs more than anybody else, is Jake Excavating 320. I always give him a hard time. I call him 360 minus 40 because I never can remember his name, but it's Excavating 320. So, ready? Mm-hmm. You let me forget the most important channel on YouTube to mention. Mom's Mrs. Dirt Perfect. You guys have to go check out Mrs. Dirt Perfect. She posts some stuff with the kids. Some behind the scenes stuff for Dirt Perfect. She's got a couple videos up. And then Mrs. SOT Metalworks has a channel. She's got some behind the scenes stuff over there at Shooter Options Targets and some Logger Wade stuff and a few other things. Miss Elite Earthworks has a channel. I think she's just collecting subs. I don't think she has any videos, but you may want to go check her out just in case she does. Another channel I want to mention real quick is We'll Preach for Food. It's actually my business partner, construction business. I guess he's hungry. He's preaching for food, but he's got he's got some. He's been posting a few videos. He's actually the preacher at a local church here. Does a good job with it, and he's been posting some of that stuff on YouTube. So be curious to see where that goes. And then let's see here. Oh yeah, we got. Hey, we got. You got to tell him we got kind of a top secret. Not top secret. We got a pretty cool YouTube channel in the works. It's actually not mine. It's a buddy of mine. But he's working on his name. He's working on his name and a few other things. So I can't really shout it out yet because it's not official what it is. But
yes, it is.
If you guys follow me on Facebook, I posted a link to one of his videos. And yeah, hopefully that'll be out soon. So just another reason to follow us on Facebook, Dirt Perfect. Follow us on Instagram, which I think's Dirt Perfect _1 maybe. Boy, I hope I got that right. And I'm hoping to do this again. If I reach 10,000 subscribers, if or when, we'll do something similar. So if I forgot you, tell them I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, give me my hat back. I'll tell you what. Quit. So I hope to do this again. If I forgot you, send me a comment or something, and I'll put you on my list for the next one. And I'm going to put my email and my mailing address in the description. So if you guys got any stickers or any goodies you want to send us that we can put on the next video, that would be awesome and much appreciated. Tell them. Thanks for watching. We got 1 million reasons to thank these guys for watching. All right. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Bye.